Tabi yung cellphone, bitawan mo muna. One last lunch before this extra footage, people. Promise we'll film extra footage, but you can see now. Oh, we should have brought that. Are we gonna eat tuna?
Brine yan. Brine yan. Gusto mo in water. Pati ba naman yan, sabi?
It smells like it's not 10:59. 10:59. Everyone's gonna be here. I'll make time slow now. That God, because we'll miss these guys till Saturday again. All right.